Sales videos are a powerful way to save time, build rapport, and accelerate deals. In today's video, we'll show you everything you need to know about injecting video into your sales emails. Hey everyone, Charlie here, social media manager at Vidyard. I spend a good portion of my day creating, sharing, and watching my fair share of video content. So I have a pretty good idea of what works and what doesn't. Today we're discussing video for sales emails. A recent study showed that 4 times as many people would rather watch a video than read text, citing video as a much easier format to consume. Your prospects are likely extremely busy, if not overwhelmed. Sales videos allow them to quickly learn about what your company has to offer, as well as provides a host of other benefits that we'll discuss in this video. So let's start with the question, what is video for sales? Video for sales is when a salesperson records a video to send to a prospect. That can be through email, social media, or any other channel. This is proven to be extremely effective for open rates as well as response rates, and can help grab that coveted slice of your prospect's attention. To send videos quickly and easily, it helps to have a sales video platform. Otherwise, emailing videos is going to be a little bit more work. You've got to record the video, host it somewhere, as well as send it out on your own. There's also no way to track your prospect's engagement, and sending video this route can often land them in spam folders, killing your deliverability rates. A video sales email tool allows you to one-click record and send via an email where it automatically inserts a thumbnail with a play button. Let's take a look at some of the benefits that video for sales emails can provide. 1. Sales videos command attention because they're unexpected. In a sea of boring black and white text-based emails, a splash of color and personality will be a breath of fresh air to your prospects. Subject lines with the word video in them are more likely to get opened and 8 times more likely to get a response. 2. Your friendly human face will help build authentic relationships. It can be hard to convey personality over traditional emails, especially if creative writing isn't your forte. It's much easier to let your natural charisma shine through by recording a quick and casual sales video. It'll feel high touch to your prospects, even though it doesn't take much time or effort to produce a video. 3. Using videos in sales emails is more convincing than traditional cold calling. Cold calling only offers audio, traditional emails only offer text. However, a video sales email offers both, plus moving pictures. Video is more immersive, engages more senses, and is a far more effective way to teach multiple types of learners about your products and services. 4. Video makes it easier for your prospects to consume information. It's far easier for your prospects to watch a video than wade through dense written information. A sales video allows you to share your personalized pitch in a format that's fun and easy to engage with. Now that we know the benefits for what video for sales emails can provide, let's take a look at some best practices. A sales video email, also known as a sales video letter, is a wonderful way to have fun while delivering an extremely effective message to your prospects. Here are our top tips for making your video sales letter a smashing success. Number 1, craft a compelling subject line. Indicating that your sales email contains a video in the subject line can boost open rates up to 300%. Many reps like to put video right at the beginning of the subject line, and then follow it with a short value prop or hook. 2. Keep it short and sweet. The average person receives 121 work emails every day. Your prospects hardly want another, much less one that contains a War and Peace length essay on your product offerings, no matter how interested they may be. 3. Build credibility with social proof. 82% of Americans say they seek recommendations from friends and family before making a purchase. It's no different in B2B sales. People rely on the opinions of their trusted circle to make decisions. 4. Use words and video to complement one another. Your video sales letter has 2 components, an email and a video, and you want both elements to work together harmoniously to create one delightful and effective touch point. We hope you've enjoyed this quick introduction to video for sales emails. Let us know in the comments below if you're injecting video in your sales emails. We'd love to hear some more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.